One of the key features the Vivid POS has to offer is our modifiers. A great example of this is ordering something like pizza. Pizza comes in so many different ways, and you have so many different toppings that it can be confusing when you place an order and send the ticket to the kitchen. Our system makes it really clear to see what the customer has ordered. In an example, we can look at the Hawaiian Special. This pizza already comes with ham and pineapple as a topping, but we can add other toppings if the customer would like. We can order toppings that will go on the whole pie, or on the left side or the right side. Let's say the customer wants green peppers and chicken on the left side, and onions and mushrooms on the right side. We can see on the ticket that we have some items that are a whole topping and some items that are on the left and some items that are on the right. If we happen to choose the same item for the right as the left, the system will automatically make it a whole topping and charge a whole price value for that item. You can see there we chose green pepper was moved from the left half to the whole pie and charging $1 instead of 50 cents. For these pizzas, we also have the option for pizza crust. This is a forced modifier, as indicated with the red number 1 on that icon. As soon as we choose an item, it's going to turn into green. That means that we're ready to move on. Another way to see the modifiers is under salads. This category has a forced modifier of dressing for every salad, where you must choose a dressing before moving on. If we choose the turkey avocado salad, we have to choose a dressing in order to move on. However, we also have optional add-ons, chicken, salmon, and shrimp, that all come with a dollar value associated. If we choose chicken, it's going to charge $3. However, the Caesar dressing has $0. Once we choose done, we will see both of those items on our ticket. Once we're ready, we can send the order to the kitchen. Once the order is sent, we're going to be brought back to our main dining screen. However, we also have options to do quick orders, deliveries, to go, or go to the bar. We can take a look at some of our quick orders, and I can show you how to close out this ticket. We can use the cash or card quick options along the bottom menu, or for some additional options, we can choose pay. This gives us a different breakdown of payments and also some other payment options like discount, comp, redeem coupon, redeem points. And we can set these items to need a manager override for security purposes. If we don't need any of those options, we can just choose a quick cash and close out that ticket, making it really easy and quick to move through the system.